example 4, C6H5COCl, that is benzoyl chloride. On reaction with ammonia gives a compound X. On reaction with P2O5, phosphorus pentoxide, gives compound Y. On reduction with nickel and hydrogen, addition of hydrogen meaning reduction reaction, gives us compound Z. The end product in the above sequence of reactions is, let's write this reaction. C6H5 C double bond O Cl, that is benzoyl chloride. On reaction with ammonia, substitution reaction occurs. Cl is lost with this H as HCl, thereby giving us product benzamide, C6H5 C double bond O NH2. So this is compound X. On reaction with P2O5, P2O5 acts as a dehydrating reagent. We have seen its action when we wanted to prepare anhydride from carboxylic acid. Similarly, here also dehydration takes place, that is removal of H2O. H2 is right here, oxygen is here. If this is removed, what's remaining here is C6H5 Cn. This is benzonitrile. So this compound is Y. Further reaction, nickel in presence of H2. Nickel in presence of H2 meaning addition of hydrogen, that is it's a reduction reaction or hydrogenation. We add hydrogens here to carbon and nitrogen, giving us the compound C6H5 CH2 NH2. This is our final product Z. We have to name this compound. This compound also can be written like this. Benzene C6H5 and one substituent is there, so it became C6H5. It is attached to CH2, then it is attached to NH2. We know this group as benzyl group and this is amine. So this compound is benzyl amine. That is, answer is option C. This compound can also be called as phenyl methenamine. So answer benzyl amine is given as option C. So we can select that answer. Once again going through this reaction and also telling the names of various compounds. Starting with the compound benzoyl chloride, on reaction with ammonia, HCl is lost and benzamide is obtained. This is compound X. On reaction with P2O5, dehydration occurs to give compound benzonitrile, which is Y. On reduction with nickel and hydrogen, benzyl amine is obtained. Answer is option C.